How to get back reels on profile grid on Instagram. Welcome back to a new tutorial video of how to guide everyone. If you're also trying to get back the reels that you removed from your profile grid on your Instagram, then in this video let me show you how you can easily get it back. So without any further ado, in this video let's get right into it. First of all, let me also show you how you can remove the reel from the profile grid. You can tap open any reel, tap on the three dots on the top right, and tap on remove from profile grid. Once you tap on this reel will be removed from your profile grid but will be still visible on the reel section. Now to get it back on the profile grid, you can again tap open the reel on the reel section, tap on the three dots on the bottom right, tap on manage, and here you'll have an option of add to profile grid. Once that is done, you need to refresh your page, and if you head back to the profile grid, you can see the reel now is back on the profile grid view on Instagram. So that's all it takes to bring back or get back the reels to the profile grid on your Instagram account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.